Hey guys, it's Eileen. Welcome to Food for Thought Fridays. And today the question is, what if everyone grew their own food, had a garden, had something on their patio at an apartment? I mean, can you imagine how the world would change if everyone just started growing their own food? There would be abundance. There would be so much more than what we have now because we don't think we can. How do I know that? Well, I'm about to be 46 years old, and I know that this is my first year that I have the confidence to try a garden. Why in the world did it take me so long? And I think because in the time that I've grown up, 80s, 90s, food was just in the supermarket. There was a disconnect from our food. And we didn't know the joy of watching something develop, like watching this tiny little seedling sprout, and all of a sudden there's tomatoes forming, and the excitement of that. Or suddenly seeing our blueberry bushes come alive with blueberries. I mean, how easy is it to grow zucchini? I don't think people realize this. And if everyone kind of said, I think I'm going to try growing my own food, I think we'd have more oxygen on the planet. I think we would have community, people having abundance of whatever they're growing, and then knocking on the neighbor's door saying, hey, I have some extra food here. Food deserts might be a thing of the past. It's really something to contemplate whether or not we should all somehow, in some form, no matter how big our land is or how small our apartment is, or if we just have a little windowsill, we should all grow something. Thanks for joining me today.